Hey everyone, and thanks for joining me. Welcome back to I Built a Thing. Today I'm pretty excited to show you the production warning Chrome extension, and it's version 2 now. I'm calling it PW Focus, Production Warning Focus. And so what it is, it's a Chrome extension. See, I've got two web pages open here, just looking at LangChain. And inside my context menu on the browser, because the Chrome extension is installed, I got these extra PW focus items. One of them, save all tabs to a new focus, right? So I'm just going to call it LangChain. See, now that I saved it, you see the focus bar appears up top, right? It's got the two things that I have opened have the two links here. You know, I can share it. I can ask an agent a question. Now, when I ask an agent a question, it's going to be pulling all the text from both of these. Now, this is one thing that's interesting. I could have up to, I think, 8 links at a time in a focus. But let's say I have 8 links and then I exit out of 4 of them. Then only those pages in the focus that are currently open on my browser will be included in the context. So like right now, since I closed that one tab, there's two links here, but only this page will be included. So I can just ask, and see the AI is going to get, see it's talking about LangChain and stuff. So the AI is going to receive all the text in this page. And furthermore, I can also copy it, and that allows me to see how it says context from one source copied. So that's the text from this page. See, like if I bring Notepad over here and show you, I can paste it in. This is all the text. See how it's talking about like LangChain and stuff? All the text from this page. So as you can see, it basically turns your browser into a context management machine to help with dealing with AI. You can add several things to your focus, and then you can ask AI a question or use it to quickly build the context. Then also, if I have a focus here, I can share a focus, which actually that just sent it to the website and posted it. So now we come over here. I'm going to actually switch to a different computer. See this? You're viewing a completely different computer right now. And I'm going to paste that focus link that I just got from the other one. It takes me here. It shows me what the two links are. And I can click open. And boom, in a new window, it instantly opens all those links. And now this person also has that same focus. Right? So it should be helpful for people communicating with one another, working together. And also kind of the idea is eventually we'll be able to use agents to sort of be able to teleport in your work to exactly where you want to be. And then if we go look at the focus management, see, you can manage your different focuses here. Like this is a different one where I can just set it as active. And now if I go back, I guess I need to refresh. Oh, you got to hit save. Set it as active. Hit save, and then now if I go back, now this one is active here, so I could ask the agent about all of these 6 pages. I can open all those pages by just clicking in the center, or I can open just one of them by just clicking there, clicking on the link. And then whichever ones are opened when I ask the agent a question will all be included in the context. And then there's just a couple more little features here, like I got a thing called context notes. So I can say this is a note. And by adding the note, it's adding a pair value of this URL and this note. So that when I go to different pages, if I go to this page, look at the notes, it's not there. But when I'm on this page, that note is there. So I have context notes at different pages. When you navigate to a page where a note is, there will be a little icon that lights up that lets you know there's a context note here. And those are also included in a focus, so that if you share a focus with your, with one of your coworkers or something, it will include context notes for the different pages. And those are also included in the AI context. If you ask a question to the AI, it will include your context notes there. And then if we look at, the other functionality of this, the reason why it's called production warning is because I would always get kicked out of the sandbox into production without any warning. So I wanted to know. So I'm a Salesforce developer. So what I would do is put my Salesforce URL here, and then I can give a custom cursor. If I just go, oops. So I just put the star for google.com. So now if I go to google.com, it's going to show that star as my cursor on that URL. So it's a warning to let me know when I'm back in production. And so this is the actual website where these focuses are shared. Yeah, they're all the same because I've just been testing with a lot of those same two links again and again. But yeah, currently all focuses that you share are public. But of course, if you share a URL that you have to be logged into, others won't be able to log in, and we might add some private focuses later or something like that. But so everything is working now. The extension will take a few days before it's available, because I'm submitting it to the Google Chrome extension store today, and you have to wait for them to approve it, since you're installing code on other people's computer. They do kind of a security test and all that stuff. But it should be ready within about a week. And in the meantime, I have created a link where you can get on the wait list. If you want this extension, you can just sign up there and I'll email you when it's out. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody.